Again, a new fascinating fact. Did you know that Pluto is not a planet? Pluto lost its planetary status almost 80 years after its discovery. Pluto is now considered little more than a sizable icy mass. The likelihood of us ever setting foot on it is slim. It's somewhat disheartening. In 2006, Pluto suddenly ceased to be recognized as a planet due to a redefinition, officially demoted to a dwarf planet after 76 years. But what led to this change? To understand, let's delve into the discovery story of Pluto. In the early 20th century, scientists believed an undiscovered planet must exist in our solar system to explain the peculiar orbits of Neptune and Uranus. This hypothetical planet, unseen by anyone, was dubbed Planet X. When Pluto was discovered in the outer regions of our solar system in 1930, the excitement was tangible. So much so that young Walt Disney seized the opportunity to feature a character named Pluto, the dog, as Mickey Mouse's companion during the same period. The 22-year-old Clyde Tombaugh reportedly announcing, "Dr. Slifer, I have found your Planet X," eventually realized that Pluto couldn't be the elusive Planet X. It was too small to significantly impact the other planets in our solar system. Pluto retained its ninth planet status until the 1990s, when several similarly sized space objects were discovered in its approximate orbit. This raised questions among astronomers about whether Pluto should be considered a separate planet. If Pluto remained classified as a planet, it would mean extending the same classification to numerous other discovered asteroids, creating an ever-expanding list. The International Astronomical Union altered the planet definition in 2006. Previously, an asteroid was considered a planet if it orbited the Sun and was massive enough for its gravity to make it spherical. Pluto met these criteria, as did some other asteroids. In 2006, a third rule was introduced. For an asteroid to be classified as a planet, it must also have cleared its orbit of other space objects. Pluto and its counterparts hadn't fulfilled this criterion. Instead, they were surrounded by thousands of comets. As a result, in 2006, Pluto was definitively downgraded to a dwarf planet. The change in perception was merely a consequence of a dry alteration in the rules. With a mere edit on Wikipedia, Clyde Tombaugh's legacy was overturned. Nevertheless, he remains esteemed as one of the leading astronomers of the previous century. Admittedly, Clyde Tombaugh, discoverer of the ninth planet in the solar system, sounds more impressive on a resume than Clyde Tombaugh. Discoverer of a large, cold asteroid, of which there are probably quite a few. The decision stirred considerable controversy in the field of astronomy and beyond. So much so that the American Dialect Society designated the verb to Pluto as the word of the year, signifying to demote or devalue someone or something. Clyde Tombaugh did not witness the unfolding of these events. By the time his beloved Pluto was demoted to a dwarf planet, the discoverer had been deceased for almost 10 years. Perhaps Tombaugh shed a metaphorical tear from his celestial vantage point. That was it for now. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Until next time.